Hey friends, if you wish to mute the toggle keys on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So toggle keys itself means that they will give a sound whenever you press caps lock. Let me show you. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down to keyboard. If you read the meaning of toggle keys, it says press a sound whenever you press caps, num or scroll lock. So if it is on, you will notice that there is a sound. Did you hear that? So you can turn it off if you don't like that sound, or simply press the num lock key for 5 seconds continuously or more. You will still hear the sound, but when you get that sound, that is when the toggle keys will be off forever until you switch them on once again. And the procedure to switch them on is again the same. Press num lock for 5 seconds. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.